In this video, I'm going to explain why ERP and CRM data becomes inconsistent, and more importantly, how to fix it properly. Most organizations think inconsistent master data is a syncing problem. It isn't. It's a structural problem. ERP systems are designed for operational control. CRM systems are designed for customer engagement. They model entities differently. They apply different validation rules. They are owned by different teams. Over time, you get duplicate customers, conflicting product definitions, different naming conventions, out-of-date records, manual workarounds, and the bigger the organization, the worse it gets. Trying to fix this with periodic cleanup exercises or point-to-point integrations doesn't solve the root cause. It just delays the decay. So here's where most enterprise programs go wrong. They attempt one of three things. First, they build complex bi-directional integrations. Second, they choose one system as the master and force everything through it. Third, they run large data cleansing projects every 12 to 18 months. All three approaches break down. Integrations replicate bad data faster. Forcing one system to dominate creates political resistance and workarounds. Periodic cleansing doesn't prevent new inconsistencies from being created tomorrow. The issue isn't movement of data. The issue is governance and mastering of shared business entities across systems. To fix inconsistent master data between ERP and CRM, you need 5 capabilities. First, there's unified entity resolution. You must be able to identify that ABC Group and ABC Limited are the same organization. Second, a persistent golden record, not inside the ERP or the CRM, but in an independent mastering layer that reconciles, enriches, and governs the entity. Third, survivorship rules and trust scoring. You need logic that decides which system wins when values conflict and why. Fourth, continuous monitoring. Not a one-time cleanup. Ongoing detection of duplicates, anomalies, and policy violations. Fifth, governance workflows. Business users must be able to review, approve, and correct records without IT rebuilding integrations. This is not about syncing systems, it's about creating a control plane for master data. Modern enterprises solve this with a graph-based MDM platform. Why graph? It's because customers, products, suppliers, and locations don't exist in isolation. They exist in relationships. A graph model allows you to connect ERP and CRM records to a single mastered entity. Track lineage and source systems, understand impact before changes are made, and maintain context across domains. Both systems reference a governed, continuously improving master record. When this is done correctly, you get reliable reporting across finance and sales, consistent customer experiences, fewer operational errors, faster integrations for new systems, lower long-term data management costs, and most importantly, you stop data decay before it spreads. Fixing inconsistent master data between ERP and CRM is not a technical cleanup task, it's an operating model decision. If you treat master data as a continuously managed asset, supported by automation and governance, ERP and CRM alignment becomes sustainable. If you treat it as a periodic project, inconsistency will return. To summarize, traditional MDM still depends on static rules and periodic cleanup, but ERP and CRM data changes every day. New records, new systems, new complexity. If your mastering layer cannot adapt continuously, inconsistency will return. CluedIn takes a different approach. Agentic Master Data Management uses AI agents operating on a persistent knowledge graph to continuously monitor, reconcile, and improve master data across systems. Duplicates are detected as they emerge. Conflicts are resolved intelligently. Data quality improves over time, not just during projects. ERP and CRM stop competing for control. They connect to a governed, graph-native control layer that evolves with your business. This is not about syncing systems. It is about establishing continuous trust in your master data. And that is the difference between managing data periodically and managing it intelligently. If you found this useful, subscribe for more insights on enterprise data quality and master data management.